Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my 5 MB Excel class. Today we have a very good problem in hand, and actually it was raised by one of my references, Mr. Rafat Rajib, who has got this problem from his very friend, that he has a number within a number for sure, and the person wants to make this number between the numbers dynamic, and the first part and the end part, the last part, is the static part. So they need to make this number in between the dashes dynamic. It would update when we move downwards or upwards, right? So the solution looks to me is completely related to the number formatting. So how can we do this? So let me first set the number formatting here in a blank cell. So I will simply put right click, go to format cells, or I can go and click here, or I can press Ctrl 1 to bring the number formatting window or dialog box. So then again I will go to custom, and I will put the fixed part within a double quotation, right? 27272, right? And I will put the dash here, and then the double quotation, and I will put the variable placeholder hash and 0, which is a fixed placeholder for numbers, and then I will put the last part dash 002, right? And then I will put the double quotation again to close it. So that is how the number formatting works. The first part is for the positive, and the second part is separated with a semicolon, and the second part would be the negative part. Then if I put another semicolon, the last part would be how the 0 would be formatted. So I don't need this one. So if I keep it without any semicolon, that means it's free, and we can apply the required number formatting here for any type of numbers, right? So I will simply press OK here, and I will simply put 383, and then I will copy it and paste it here, and I will press 384. You can see the number is actually updating. So I hope this will solve the problem for that person, and for many of you who has same type of problem. So thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to remain updated on my new videos. Take care. Bye.